Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am super excited to unbox and demo for you this super powerful 115 watt 3-port fast car charger. This is the most powerful car charger I have ever seen. 115 watts of total output, which is awesome. Has one USB-A and two USB Type-C ports. One USB-C port, the top one, is capable of 65 watts of output. And then the bottom two ports, the second Type-C and the USB-A, are capable of a combined total of 50 watts of output. And that means with all three of these, you could be quick charge or fast charging 3 different devices at the same time. So super powerful charger. Let's open up the box and take a look at the charger itself, and then we're gonna see it in action. So you can see, fairly small to be as powerful as it is and have those 3 ports. It's not super large, so it's not going to take up a ton of space. It does have this nice little LED ring around it. And you can see you've got that top port is 65 watts. That is a Type-C 65 watts. That's a ton of power. Now this is rated, advertised, sold to be used with phones and tablets. But 65 watts of output is actually enough to charge a lot of laptops or Chromebooks or MacBooks. It's not going to charge them at their fastest possible, because they can, a lot of those things can take up to like 100 watts or more. But 65 watts is enough to charge them. So even though they don't advertise this as being used for that, I'm going to test it for that, because I think it'll work great with my MacBook Pro to keep it charged if I need to when I'm on the go. So really cool. And then you've got these second 2 ports, Type-C and USB-A. Those are capable of combined total of 50 watts. So all of these are quick charge compatible, so they will support quick charge 3.0, 2.0 for all of your quick charge charging devices or wireless fast chargers. If you have a wireless fast charger, a car mount in your car, these will power those. And then they will also support the 2 Type-C support PD, which is power delivery, and all the different power delivery formats for fast charging and super fast charging through PD power delivery. So really, you are completely covered. Everything you need in this nice, small little car charger that is just amazingly mind-bogglingly powerful. So yeah, this is it. This is the design. This is what it looks like. But now let's check it out in my car, and let's see what it can do. So right here you can see I've got the 115 watt super powerful car charger plugged into my charging port there, and then I've got it powering lots of different things. You can see that subtle little LED light, not bright at all, very subtle, nice touch without being too bright at night, which is great. I've got this powering 3 devices right now. One, the USB-A is powering my Echo Auto device there. That's what is plugged into that. And then that Type-C port above it is the white cord. That is powering my iPhone through the lightning adapter. And you can see I'm getting a charge there. And because of the power that's coming out of there, I mean, my phone is really high on battery right now, but if it was low on battery, I would know I'd be getting the fastest charge possible, because it is a Type-C PD and it is putting out lots of power. And then that top port there, I've got a Type-C to Type-C cord. That's that 65 watt Type-C, and I am going to plug this into my MacBook Pro. This is a MacBook Pro 14-inch, which is hard to kill the battery on this thing because it's so efficient. So you can see I've got a full charge, but you can see right there, now that I've plugged that in, the power source is the power adapter, and it is getting charged through this Type-C cord. So that 65 watts is enough to provide power and to recharge the battery on my MacBook Pro, and would also work probably for a Chromebook or any laptop that can charge through Type-C. Again, some of those do require a more powerful charger for full charging or for charging at a higher rate, but at 65 watts you will be able to charge most laptops and Chromebooks and things like that with this. Even though that's not really what it's marketed for, you can use it for that, as well as being able to charge all your devices, your phones, your tablets, all that good stuff, and power any other devices like the Echo Auto that I have in my car. I'm using it to power that as well. So that is what is excellent about this product, is just the fact that you can power all those devices. You can get fast charging on your iPhone or your Samsung Galaxy or any other Android phone. It's going to charge it at the fastest speed possible, as well as your tablets and iPads and things like that. So really, really excellent product. If you are looking for a new car charger, this is the one to get. You've got 3 ports, you've got 115 watts total power. You really can't go wrong, because this is going to be able to do everything that any other charger can do, probably plus a whole lot more that most other chargers can't do, because they don't have this much power. So this is definitely a product I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.